We are analyzing this line here where we are creating a dictionary with these strings as keys and pairs of musical intervals as values. We already talked about dictionaries. Now we are going to talk about this zip. The zip object yields n-length tuples where n is the number of iterables passed as positional arguments to zip. The ith element in every tuple comes from the ith iterable argument to zip, and this continues until the shortest argument is exhausted. So, just more documentation. Zip iterate over several iterables in parallel, producing tuples with an item from each one. So in this example, we have two lists, one list of numbers, one list of strings, then for item in the zip of these two lists, print item, and it's going to print 1 sugar, 2 spice, 3 everything nice. So this is what we're printing here. As I mentioned before, zip returns an iterator of tuples where the ith tuple contains the ith element from each of the argument iterables. As usual, let's make an example. So here we have this list of strings. Here we have this list of musical intervals. And if I do the for item in zip intervals string intervals use print item, and I would have a direct pair with the perfect first string with the interval of the perfect 4, the minor second string with the interval of the minor second. So it's almost what we want, but we don't want just this direct pair. We want that the minor second has two intervals, which is the perfect first and the minor second. Then the major second needs to be the perfect first and the major second, and so on. So this is why we have these other parts here inside our zip. And that we're going to take a look how to use the dictionary and zip together with these lists here in the next tutorial.